Hey guys, welcome back. Today on a bit of a wet Monday, doing 40 acres over the south side of Brisbane. Actually helping another contractor. It's been, the owner gave it short notice, so it needed to be done, and so he got me out here to give him a hand. But yeah, it's some thick rat's tail, which, you know, we're cutting it quite high. They don't need it neat and tidy. They just need to take it down so they can do some drone surveying. But yeah, it's definitely hard to cut. It's a bit of a struggle, but slow and steady, we'll get it done. I've even got the drone out here today, so I might, if I get a chance, get some drone footage going. And yeah, we'll add that into the video as well. Should be a little bit longer than the last video from that would have gone up today. I've actually got some full batteries and an empty SD card, so I'll be able to take a bit longer of a video. As you can see, a fair bit of rain's been coming through. Over the far side over there, it was just mentioned to me that it's pretty much underwater, so we'll see when we get around there what we can actually do and whatnot. I might not even be able to actually throw the drone up here, because if I probably look at it, it will say that we're in a airspace, because we're only not far from the airport, so I'd have to have a look. Starting to rain. Well, it's coming across. didn't see yesterday's video, please let me know if you prefer the POV view or you rather just the rear facing view. Just so I know for future videos. It's quite thick through here. Right, so I set the back camera up, did a rear view. Trying to go around this little bollard thing here that's gas. Because you come around, you're not watching what you're doing, you end up hitting them. Doesn't look good. struggling to multitask here. There's a lot going on. Driving tractors, flying drones. It's not easy work, not easy work at all. But we're yeah, not far from done. Won't take us too long with this other tractor. Well, the two tractors together, I mean. Biggest thing it will be is if I actually edit this video with all the drone footage in it. Better take this call quickly. Starting to rain. Well, it's coming across. Slashing with rain is just never fun because it makes all the grass stick to everything. Bit wet through there and here. Put her in 4-wheel drive. This last week we've had a fair bit of rain. It's been quite crazy how much rain we've actually had. Oh, sorry, the last 2 weeks. So that's us all done. I end up getting a call there, and I don't know which part of it I'll show, which not, what not. There's some drone footage of the last bit of us cutting, but I was going to film a bit longer, but the second tractor coming in sort of finished it a lot quicker than I thought. But so that's 40 acres. It's quite easy going, wasn't hard. We cut it a lot higher than I usually would cut, but this doesn't need any more than that. It's just a paddock they're getting surveyed, so I'll take it back and wipe some of this stuff off and load it onto the truck, and that's it, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.
So in love with you.